Mr. Wieland, what classes do you teach here at the high school?
Well, here at the high school, I teach an introduction to manufacturing, which is basically for our 10th grade students. It's an introduction into the upper level classes such as Manufacturing 1, which is really designated for juniors, and then that leads into Manufacturing 3, which is really for seniors, which is 3 periods a day. In addition to that, I teach a semester-long plastics class, which is 2 Penn College credits, and also we offer a year-long CNC class. And it really was designed for students who couldn't afford giving up 2 or 3 periods a day. A lot of my students go on to get certificates in welding, whether it's a 6-month certification from Penn College or a 2-year associate's degree. A lot of them will go through apprenticeships. They may start out in a co-op while they're in high school, or they may just enter the job force right out of school. I've also had a lot of students that come through here and they get great hands-on skills that they can use in a design field or a fabrication field, or even in an engineering field, going for a 4 or 6 year degree at a post-secondary school.
So I know she could be eating lunch right now. Is this a fun class to take?
Yeah, my brother took a class and he enjoyed it, so I took one of the classes and I've taken every single one since then. You actually get to do stuff in the class. It's not just theory. You get to apply it. Setting up the code to make a sign, you draw it up, and then when you put it on the CNC machine, it'll cut it out. I enjoy running the machines. It'll help further on because I want to get into something like this with a career.
I got interested in blacksmithing. One of the things I needed was a forge, which is the apparatus for heating your metal up. So I came in and I asked Mr. Wieland if he would help me fabricate one. So we got some parts together and I built my forge, and so I started forging at home, and that really birthed in me a passion and a love for making things. I considered myself a craftsman. And I invested in a MIG welder, and I started making stuff at home, doing metal art. Because of this, because we've had state-of-the-art training on the latest equipment, on CNC machines, on different welding processes, this is opening up job opportunities for me. Manufacturing has impacted my life in a big way, not only from the hobbies that I do, but also as stepping stones as I venture into the real world and start to make something out of my life.
Hi, my name is Jared Fisher. I graduated from Jersey Shore with the class of 2012. I was a career and technical education graduate. This is the first time I've been back to Jersey Shore High School in 2 years. I'm here to visit Mr. Wieland today. When I was here at Jersey Shore, I went through the manufacturing discipline under Mr. Wieland. I'm on spring break right now. I'm currently a sophomore at Penn State University, and I'm studying material science and engineering. It's overwhelming at first, but it definitely comes together and starts to make sense the more you look into it. Like, I'm in material science, there are countless other options out there for you. There are a lot of different ways to go from CNC programming and working with the equipment. So you have everything from the actual technical position all the way to design engineers and prototype engineers. Such a range of career possibilities. It's a big decision. Career and technical education is something that is definitely a wise choice for you to make if you think you want to do something technical. It's not just an office job. It's not just sitting at a desk and working on paper stuff all day. It's actually getting out there. It's making things happen. It's working in industry. It's strengthening the backbone of America through industry is what it is. It's a really great career path to follow. There are a lot of options within it. There's fabrication, there's welding, there's machining, there's assembly, there's design. Anything technical like that in a fabrication background, Mr. Wieland has it. He covers it here. He teaches you. It was a really great experience as far as reassuring me that engineering was what I wanted to get into. Mr. Wieland's program is definitely something you want to look into.